In this video, we're going to be looking at how to find and replace text. So to find or replace text, we can come to our Home tab. On the far right hand side, we can either select our Find option, Find, Advanced Find, Go To, or Replace. So what we can do is we can click the Find button, and I want to look for the word package. Find the word package. So it is showing me that there's two results for package. So the first being up here and the second being down there. So that is the find option. If I want to find and replace, I can select replace and this screen pops up here. So find what? It's still looking for the word package, which I look for, and I want to change it to the word bundle. Alright, what I can do is I can go find next. There we go, it's highlighted holiday package. And I can click replace to change the word to bundle, and then find the next option, which I then can select bundle. So we're finished searching the document. So there you go, it has replaced both words packages to bundle.